Hello, teacher. Good afternoon. My name is Kevin Tovar. I study industrial engineering. And these, these are um, 10 sentence description the picture. Um, there is a blue vehicle. The girl has the flights on. Modern our son enters to 10. The father the father holds the hammers. The bat surrounds the tent. The child watches careful what the father does. There is a red backpack on the grass. The mother has a yellow blouse. There are two, two, three, two, three, two trees around the house. The boy has a umbrella in his hand. Five sentence description and the picture. The picture. The girl with the flashing light help illuminate the world her father does. The father drinks in the last the ten peg. Mother and son enter to tend to rest. His night and the bat surrounds the family tent. The family is going to can near a house. By teacher.